Welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to deal with chapter real numbers. Do this exercise of page number 66. Okay, so what is given? Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial given below. Find the sum and the product of the zeros and verify the relationship to the coefficients of terms in the polynomial. Okay guys, so see the first sum. What is given? P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Okay, first we have to take the factors for 6. So 6, it will go in how many tables? 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 and 6 into 1, right? So how to find the factors, guys? So when you take the product, when you take the sum, you should get the middle term. When you do the product, you should get the last term. Okay, when I take the first term, 1 plus 6 or 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 1 into 6 is 6. We are getting last term but not the middle term. Okay, so among all these, which one we can choose? The middle term is minus 1. Okay, we can take either 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Okay, because 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Okay, so I have chosen that one, 2 into 3. So what we get? So split into this form, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So from among these two terms, take x common, it becomes x minus 3. From last two terms, take 2 common, you get 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay guys, so among these expression, so x minus 3 is repeated, x minus 3 you can take as common. So what is left out? X plus 2 equal to 0. Now these two are the factors of the given polynomial. So equate to 0 and find the value of x. So it becomes x minus 3 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 3. Similarly, x plus 2 equal to 0. That implies x equal to minus 2. Therefore, 3 comma minus 2 are the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, when you substitute either 3 or minus 2 in the given expression, it becomes 0. Nothing but the factors of the given polynomial. Okay guys, now what we have to find here? We have to find the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros and then verifying the relationship to the coefficients. Okay, first one, sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, we have the formula, that is minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So the given polynomial you have to compare with quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where coefficient of x square, that is a equal to 1. Okay, coefficient of x square, that is a equal to 1. Coefficient of x, that equal to b equal to minus 1. In a constant term is c, that equal to minus 6. I have mentioned here. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, where x coefficient is minus 1 and a constant is minus 6. Okay. Now what we have to find here? We have to find the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is nothing but minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient. Nothing but minus 1 by 1. But minus of already is in the formula, so it becomes minus of minus 1 by 1, that equal to 1. We will get 1. Therefore sum of the zeros is 1. This minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square can be written as also minus b by a. Minus b by nothing but minus of minus 1 by 1. You will get 1. Therefore sum of the zeros is 1. Now we have to find the product of the zeros. Okay, now product of the zeros is a formula given as constant term by coefficient of x square, or we can write as c by a. So what is c here? Constant term, that is minus 6. A is x square coefficient, that is 1, that equal to minus 6 by 1, we get minus 6. Okay, now what is the relationship between them? So this is a notation, guys. So x square minus alpha plus beta, or you can write the sum of the coefficients or sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros or product of or alpha plus alpha beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of the zeros and alpha beta is nothing but product of the zeros. So whatever the result we got in the sum of the zeros, mention here, but formula is this one, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So factors we got as 3 comma minus 2, right? So x square minus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 into minus 2. You get x square minus of 3 into minus 2 is 1 into x minus 6, because 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So it becomes x square minus x minus 6. That is a given polynomial, right? Okay, that is a given polynomial. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. So let me explain in glance once again. So for the given polynomial, guys, for the given polynomial, we have to find, first we have to take the factors of that. Okay, then we have to find the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, and we have to verify the relationship between them. Okay, 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 guys. Now coming to the second sum. So what is given? Second polynomial, x square minus 4x plus 3. So first step is, for the given polynomial, we have to take, for the given quadratic polynomial, we have to take the factors of that. The factors is nothing but the zeros, for which value the given polynomial becomes 0, that becomes the factor of the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, so what is given here? X square minus 4x plus 3. So the last term is 3 here. So how can we take the factors of that? 3 into, so coefficient of x square here, so 3 into 1, so 3. So take the factors of 3, so that the middle term is minus 4. I think we get only two terms, that is 1 into 3 and 3 into 1, because 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is also 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay, you can take any one, because when you take the sum of these terms, you should get the middle term. When you take the product of these terms, you should get the last term. Ultimate constant. So I have mentioned here x square minus x. So I have taken this one, 1 comma 3. So x square minus x minus 4x can be written as x square minus 4 minus x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So from the first two terms, x square minus x, you can take x common. So it becomes x minus 1. From last two terms, you can take minus 3 common. It becomes x minus 1 equal to 0. Now among these two, x minus 1 is repeated. So x minus 1, take it as outside, take common. So what is left out? X minus 3 is left out. So x minus 1 and x minus 3 is the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. Now equate to 0 and find the value of x. It becomes x minus 1 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 1. X minus 3 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial of p of x is 1 comma 3. So what is the meaning of the zeros of the polynomial? So when you substitute 1 or 3 in the given quadratic polynomial, the total expression becomes 0. Okay, guys. Okay, now we have to find the sum of the zeros and also product of the zeros, and also verifying the relationship to the coefficients. See, what is sum of the zeros formula? Minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So this can be also written as minus of minus b by a. So first we have to compare with quadratic expression, quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the formula, minus b by a. Okay, first take down the values from the given polynomial. A value is 1, b value is minus 4, c value is 3. So what is sum of the coefficients, sum of the zeros? That is formula is minus b by a, that becomes minus of b value is minus 4 and a value is 1, that equal to minus into minus become plus 4 by 1, that equal to 4. Okay, now product of the zeros. Product of the zeros are, formula is constant term by coefficient of x squared, or we can write as c by a. C is constant, c C value is 3 and A value is 1, guys. A value is 1. So 3 by 1 is 3. Okay, now what is verifying relationship to the coefficients? So this is the formula. X square minus sum of the product, sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta in the sum of the zeros into x plus alpha beta in the product of the zeros. So sum of the zeros we got it as x square minus alpha plus beta x into alpha beta. Sum of the zeros we got it as 4. Okay. So alpha is 1 0 and beta is other 0. So take the sum, it becomes 1 plus 3 into x. And alpha beta is product. What we got? 3. Okay. So simplify. X square minus 4x plus 3. So that is a given polynomial. So this is a verification, guys. So very important sum. So whenever this sum is given in the exam, you have to perform the factors in the zeros of the polynomial, and we have to find the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, and also verifying relationship between them. Okay, I have mentioned here under note alpha plus beta in the sum of the zeros. Okay, alpha beta in the product of the zeros. Okay, I hope you understand this video. The next video we are going to cover with next two sums of the same exercise. Thank you.